Welcome to the pre-lab discussion for Experiment 1. In this experiment, you will learn the fundamental measurement techniques used throughout the chemistry laboratory. Accurate measurements are essential because every experiment depends on collecting reliable data. By the end of this experiment, you should be able to measure mass using an analytical balance, determine liquid volume using a graduated cylinder, and apply proper laboratory measurement techniques. Now let's focus on mass. Mass is the amount of matter present in a sample. In the laboratory, mass is measured using an analytical balance. Analytical balances are capable of measuring very small differences in mass and provide highly precise results. Never place chemicals directly on the balance pan. First, place a weighing boat or container on the balance. Press the tare button to zero the balance. The display should now read 0. Then add your sample and record all digits shown on the display. Do not round your measurement. Avoid touching samples with your hands. Keep the balance clean and free of spilled chemicals. Always close the balance doors if your laboratory balance includes a draft shield. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a substance. In this experiment, liquid volume will be measured using a graduated cylinder. To obtain an accurate volume measurement, place the graduated cylinder on a level surface. Bring your eyes to the same level as the liquid. Most liquids form a curved surface called a meniscus. The correct reading is taken at the lowest point of the meniscus. Looking above or below the meniscus causes parallax error. This can result in incorrect volume measurements. Always align your eyes with the liquid level before recording a value. In this video, we reviewed the proper techniques for measuring mass and volume. These skills will be used throughout the semester and are critical for obtaining accurate experimental results. In the next video, we will learn how to calculate density and determine the boiling point of an unknown liquid. Thank you for watching. See you in the laboratory.